Tired of your secret base being, well, not so secret? Let's build a to hidden door in Minecraft that'll fool anyone. First, find a suitable wall or build a new one. We're going to build a simple wall section, about 5 blocks wide and 3 blocks high in the center of this section. We'll leave a 3x3 opening. This is where our hidden door will eventually go. Now, on the sides of our 3x3 opening, place sticky pistons. You want to line them up flush with the wall and stack them to high on each side. So, on the left side, 2 sticky pistons facing the center, and on the right side, another 2, also facing inwards. Next, place temporary blocks directly behind each of these sticky pistons. This will help us get the redstone in place. On each side, break the block directly behind the bottom sticky piston. Place a piece of redstone dust in that spot. This is your power transfer point. Do the same for the top sticky piston. Break the block behind it and place another piece of redstone dust. Now, take one more block and place it directly on top of the redstone dust you just placed behind the top piston. Then, place another piece of redstone dust on top of that block. This creates the connection to the top pistons. We need to bridge this redstone. Place a block directly next to the redstone dust that's powering the bottom piston. Place a piece of redstone dust on top of that block. Then, place another block on top of that redstone dust. And put a final piece of redstone dust on that very top block. This connects everything together. Now for the activation, find a block that's connected to your redstone pathway. It could be next to any of the dust we've placed. Place a lever on the side of that block. Let's test it. Flip that lever, and watch those pistons extend, perfectly closing your to gap. Flip it again, and they retract, opening your secret passage. Once you know it works, break away all those temporary blocks we used to place the redstone. Now, the crucial camouflage. Take your wall blocks and carefully place them around the extended pistons. You want to cover the faces of the pistons completely, making it look like a solid wall. Finally, fill the 3x3 opening with the same wall blocks you've just created, a perfectly seamless to hidden door. Now your secrets are safe, and your base is that much cooler. Happy building.